This print on demand niche has made hundreds of thousands of sales just by creating these products that have popular phrases that are doing extremely well. And there are multiple products just like this that have made hundreds, even thousands of sales just by adding in a simple phrase. And in today's video, I want to share with you how to take this phrase and redesign it so you can start making sales as well. And I'll share with you a very easy prompt you can do that can create a ton of different designs in this space for you to create multiple products that can sell on Etsy. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. All right, so one of the popular things that I have found on Etsy in regards to creating t-shirts and definitely, finding a popular phrase to create is this phrase here, easily distracted by books. And if you see the things that's coming up, you can see a lot of popular nouns and bestsellers tied to this popular phrase, easily distracted by books. And so we have this one here which says easily distracted by books. We have this one says easily distracted by books and yarn, easily distracted by books and dogs. So, we can see a lot of these top selling products. Like I shared with you here, this one says easily distracted by books, and then they added in another particular interest here in yarn. And this is what I mean by trend combining even the niches itself or even the interest itself, is that when you're able to combine a popular phrase along with a specific interest, you can find endless things to create that will sell well, because again, that phrase easily distracted by books is so popular. Again, we see that all over the place. So here is a great example of trend combining. They took a popular phrase, easily distracted by books, and tie that in with a micro niche interest, which is yarn. We can see the data on this, 171 sales just for this product alone. And we can see the same example being done with another interest, and that is with pets. So we can see this one here sold 156 times in the lifetime of the listing. And you can see it's still taking upon that popular phrase, right? Easily distracted by, obviously it's focusing on that phrase of books, but it's also incorporating dogs. And so again, finding these popular phrases and adding in one more thing to it in regards to a further micro niche could do extremely well. And here's yet another one following that same theme here, easily distracted by cats books. Again, we can see the data on this. So almost 500 in a lifetime of listing, sold 9 of these just in the last 24 hours. So we know there is a huge demand for this combination of trend, right? This combination of being a book lover and then something else. It could be easily distracted by books and football, easily distracted by books and fish or horses. There's so many different paths you can go down for trying to create things. The reason I'm sharing this with you is that it can be done with other things as well. And I'm going to create a design for you that can be something easy for you to do, because we're going to use AI with print on demand. That's one of the things I talk about often on my channel. But everyone has the accessibility to AI designs, but not many people know how to actually create something worthy to be sold online. And so take popular phrases like this that we know are selling well, and then find new ways to extract something. Now, one of the places that is going to be extremely helpful for us when we are creating our print on demand products is utilizing a print on demand provider like Printify. And the reason for this is that they make it really easy for you to upload your design, to publish it on Etsy with a seamless connection. They take care of all the hard work for you, where you only really have to focus on creating amazing designs and get those things being seen on Etsy. And they have a lot of things to sell, just not the typical t-shirts like we're talking about today. As you can see, we have mugs, ornaments, tumblers, postcards, and posters, just to name a few. And you learning this tip of trend merging, there's a lot of opportunities for you to sell in these categories. Now you can get started with Printify absolutely free here, but Printify was so kind to give my audience a discount code to utilize the Printify premium version, where you're able to get major discounts on all products. So you can see that the standard price starts off at $10.87, but you're able to get this a lot cheaper here. And this is what they do for all of their products that you're selling. So again, all that saves money in your pocket. If you want to check out all of these things here, the free version as well as the Printify premium version here, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to see if this is best for your print on demand business. All right, so what we're going to use today to help us with our AI designs is My Designs, and they just make it really easy for us to create designs that is perfect for t-shirts. So we're definitely going to jump in because they have a lot of different models to use. So with that being said, we're going to go and open up the AI design canvas here. And this is where we're going to put in our prompt. And so you can see we already kind of played around with some of these things here with AI designs. But remember, our goal was to create a shirt that says easily distracted by something in books. So one of the things I definitely wanted to do was just test out this model here. So what this is all about here is that we're going to put in our prompt here right in the prompt area. The model that we are using is the ideogram version 2, and we have it set to 3:4, which is a perfect size for a t-shirt. And we add in our prompts here, and we're going to click dream to get the results. Now at this time, I'm not utilizing the pro version, just a free version here, just to share with you that you do get a number of credits, as you can see here, utilizing the free version, which is a huge benefit if you're testing this out and trying to see if it's great for a prompt demand or what have you. So I think it's a good option here. So again, I'll make sure I leave all of the prompts to this just for you to get easy access to that. You can see this one here came out extremely well, where it says easily distracted by cats and books, and this is a great design that you can sell on a t-shirt, but this was all made with AI. And again, following top trends and definitely merging into other micro niches is really what it's all about. So yes, do we know that a shirt that says easily distracted by cats and books work? Absolutely. We already proved that data. But one of the things we definitely want to do is trend merge into other areas to see what are some other micro niches we can get into. So just by putting in a simple prompt here, we changed the word out for this prompt with cat and just put in a different focus, a different interest. We put in a horse. And when we put in this prompt, and again, I'll make sure to leave the prompt down below for you to get easy access to this. When we hit dream, it generated this design here, easily distracted by horses and books. As you can see here, it was just that easy to take upon this type of style and create an amazing art design for us to sell on our t-shirt simply by putting in this prompt here. But the point here is that only thing we did here was change this focus from a cat over into a horse. As you can see, it just really made that very easy. And I think this art style is amazing. Now, one thing we can also do is plug this prompt into an AI tool. I'm using ClickUp just to make it easier for me to create this, and I can actually copy this over into ClickUp that I'm using, which it has a lot of AI features in here, and I can actually have this right with AI to change out the word horse and put in a different focus point here. So I'm just going to write this with AI, and all I want to do here is to remove the word horse and things tied to a horse and put in a different animal or a different focus. All right, so the prompt that we added in for this one is to remove the word horse and horses and add in 10 popular animals as a replacement and 10 popular hobbies as a replacement, and create each as their own prompt. And what we want to get from this is just a list of different animals and hobbies we can simply add into this and create multiple designs. With that being said, we'll hit generate and we'll see what things come up. And as you can see, this is already creating a ton of different prompts we can use, but still keeping, again, those key features, that key design style. And this is going to speed up our design process when we are creating these type of t-shirts for our print on demand business. And we can already see some of the model changes here. So they switch out the word horse and put in cat. This one here, they switch out the word horse and put in dog. As we can see, this easily distracted by dogs. It was smart enough to put in the S, bringing in that plurality when we're talking about the sentence itself. This one here went down and says easily distracted by birds, easily distracted by fish. And again, we have all of these prompts. It's going to speed it up, and it's going to give us 10 of the popular animals that we have here. And then it should change into the prompt where we said to bring in different hobbies that we want to incorporate with this phrase. Starting at number 11, we have a change here where it says easily distracted by painting and books, easily distracted by cooking and books. And all of these prompts can be used in Dream AI to switch over into Printify. And we have a lot of different micro niches we can start selling and creating different designs for this particular place. Now, with that being said, everything is done here. It generated all 20 prompts for us. Simply going to hit replace. And now we have all of these prompts that we can put in here for us to create our design. Now, when we jump back over into Dream, there is an option for us to have parallel prompts where we're able to create all of these at one time, and really speeding up our entire design process, where we just click one button and it'll create all those different type of designs we talked about here. But just for today's video, we'll just take one prompt here, but adding in those different subjects. Now, another popular phrase we said that we were going to do as well is to take this phrase, I rescue books, and something else here. And so we can actually go back in my designs and go into the prompt that we have. And the only thing I'm going to do with this is just simply change the actual text here where it says easily distracted horses and books, and put in that popular phrase where we said I rescue books. So with our example today, we'll take this one that's focused on this horse here, and it says easily distracted by horses and books, and we're going to use this for our print on demand example today. Now, one of the things we definitely have to do is to make sure that we do two things. Number one, upscale this image here, because as you can see, this image is very small here, 768 by 1024. So we definitely have to enlarge that image there, and we want to remove the background here so that we can actually create this for our print on demand t-shirt with a transparent background. So what I use for that is Kindle, because they provide a lot of this for me, as I already utilized that for different print on demand products. So with that being said, I'm going to right click on this and hit copy, and I'm going to head over to Kindle where it's already set up for Etsy print on demand with Printify, the actual size here. And I'm going to hit paste, and this is a very quick way to get the My design that we created over into Kindle for us to finish up our process here. And as you can see, it came out very small, but again, we're going to make this large here and definitely upscale the image. But everything came out well here. And with that being said, there's two things I want to do. Like I said before, we're going to remove the background here. So with this option from Kindle, I can just click one button here, and it does a pretty good job removing the background. As you can see here, all of that texture is gone from the background here. But one of the things we also want to do is make sure that we upscale the image, because even though the design looks great, we definitely want to make sure that it's keeping up with quality once it's printed out on our t-shirt. So with that being said, we want to head over to the second option here with Kindle, and that is going to be AI image upscaler, which is going to upscale the image according to the canvas that we have set here, which is going to be perfect for our print on demand business. Now that came out extremely well here. Again, you may not be able to see it on your end, but the quality has definitely increased, and it is amazing in regards to the quality. So all things is good there. Now, another good tip too is that if the AI did bring in some things you don't want to keep, you can actually go here a little bit further and erase this, portions of the design. I don't want this paw print here. That doesn't go in line with our design focus, which is the books and the horse. With that being said, I want to go in further and just erase this little area here and remove this paw print out of the shot here. And now that is gone, I'll hit done. Now that is perfect for us as a design, and with everything good here, we will go ahead and hit download. I want to save this as a transparent background, so I'll make sure I remove the background here, and for good measure, we will optimize the image quality here. We're going to save this as a PNG. Now we're going to download this, so this can be a file we can upload to our on-demand t-shirt. All right, so here we are in Printify. Now we're going to upload our design that we created. So I head over to catalog here, and we want to sell this as a t-shirt. So we'll head over to t-shirts here, and we're going to sell the Bella 301 series t-shirt here. So we'll open up this, and we're going to go down into manual and choose our on-demand provider. There's a lot here, but the ones I like to go with are Monster Digital and Swift POD. And the big difference here is the size options as well as the color options here. And so just for this example, we're going to go ahead and go with Monster Digital. So we'll click start designing, and then from here we're going to upload our image that we created. Now there's two ways to do that. We can go to upload and get it from our device, or we can just simply drag and drop, which is my preferred method. So we'll drag and drop here, and we'll let our design upload into our space. And so now we have our design here, and you can see this came out very well, right? Filled up our entire space with our shirt. Again, we have the text here, which came out perfect in the art design as well. Now we can go here and change the colors if you want, but I think we're just going to stick with what we have here. And this is a design that can compete with some of the best selling products we've seen to sell on Etsy. And it saved us so much time by incorporating the AI prompt, which again created a very great art style and brought in the text very well here. And I think there's multiple designs we can create utilizing that system. Now, if you do want to find some high quality mockups here, you can always go to Etsy to find a mockup for your image. And you want to see what the best selling designs are selling in regards to mockups, and you want to find mockups that are in line with those, because that's probably what's going to be the main ones that's going to help you sell your products. And here is another example of a t-shirt we made with AI as well. As you can see, it brought in another popular phrase: I rescue books and horses, therefore I am a hero. This is yet another good way for you to create high quality images and just simply change out that text prompt to get another example of a product you can create and another popular phrase you can add to your Etsy product as well. Now, if you're new to print on demand and you're not sure how to get started, I have created a step-by-step course that will share with you from start to finish how to sell these type of products online with Etsy. If you want to get that free course, simply put in the comment section below the word starter, and I'll be happy to send that over to you today. And check out this next video where I share with you another top trend you can create and sell for your Etsy shop. And subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.